Yeah. I'll be right there. And we're gonna do this commercial in one take, do you hear me? Because I am in the middle of something really important. You, my little cowboy friend, are gonna make me big bucks. Andy! I can't believe I have to drive all the way to work on a Saturday. All the way to work! What? Hey, stop! Horsey, stop! Stop, sit, boy! Stop it! Yeah! Sit, I said! Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah! It's you! It's you! It's you! It's you! It's you! It's really you!
What's me?
There's a snake in my boot.
Ha! It is you!
Please stop saying that.
Prospector said someday you'd come. Sweet mother of Abraham Lincoln, the prospector! He'll want to meet you! Say hello to the prospector!
It's a box.
He's mint in the box. Never been opened.
Turn me around, Bullseye, so I can see. Why, the prodigal son has returned.
Yeah! It's you! You're here! It's you!
Okay, I'm officially freaked out now.
Oh, we've waited countless years for this day. It's good to see you, Woody.
Listen, I don't know what... Hey, how do you know my name?
Everyone knows your name, Woody.
Why, you don't know who you are, do you? Bullseye? That's me. Holy cow.
Cowboy Crunchies, the only cereal that's sugar frosted and dipped in chocolate, proudly presents.
Boys round up. Come on, it's time to play. There's Jesse the yodeling cowboy.
Look it, that's me!
Bullseye, he's Woody's horse.
He's a smart.
Beat the old prospector.
What's he laughing?
And the man himself, of course. It's time for Sheriff Woody. He's the very best